Hello and welcome to IPA Ghana remote training. This is the introduction model, and in this model, we are going to look at an introduction to IPA and phone surveys in general. We are also going to look at research protocols and ethics that we need in conducting phone surveys. Now, let's begin with an introduction to IPA. Innovations for Poverty Action, IPA, is a US-based non-profit research organization, and we are dedicated in creating, evaluating, replicating innovative solutions to poverty and policy problems all over the world. And IPA, we work with development partners. We also work with academic researchers to design and rigorously evaluate approaches to solving development problems. Not only that, but we also refine these solutions and their applications together with decision makers to ensure that the evidence that is created is actually used to improve opportunities for the world's poor. And we work in a variety of fields, including health, agriculture, education, SME, etc. So IPA specializes in using randomized controlled trials methodology to actually evaluate and the impact of development programs. We talk about randomized controlled trials where the sample that is being evaluated or studied is divided into at least two groups, with one group being the treatment group that receives the program that is being tested, and another group being a control group that has not received the program that is being tested. So that's it briefly for IPA. Let's talk about phone surveys. So phone surveys, as it goes, is just to conduct surveys through the telephone. And telephone surveys is one of the methods that we use to obtain information from or about people. You call the person, you ask the person structured questions, and you receive the responses over the phone. And it's one of the developing methods, especially in these times, that we are using. And it's mostly used when access to the respondent is restricted, or maybe it's really difficult to get access to the participants. And in this project, we are going to be calling our respondents over the phone, and also administer to them structured questionnaire that has been programmed in Survey CTO software. We ask them questions, receive their responses, and we input them into the Survey CTO software. So that is it briefly for a phone service. And let's go ahead and talk about, let's review what we just learned. We learned about IPA, briefly about IPA, who we are, what we do, and how we do what we do. We also learned briefly about phone surveys, and also we ended with research protocols and ethics, especially narrowing on the three key principles that govern human subject research, that are respect for persons, beneficence, and also justice. I hope this lesson has been very beneficial to you, and you are going to apply it in this project and in other projects you are going to be involved in. Thank you.